Bona tarda a tothom. That's one of 10 things I can say in Catalan, which, as many of you know, I learned from watching many, many Barça trophy celebrations over the years. Buenas tardes, good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank my peers for choosing me to represent them and speak on their behalf. In a school this small, it really is an honor. And as the only person of color and woman to be nominated, can I say what a delight it has been to have won both the popular vote and the Electoral College. Contrary to popular belief, I don't actually like the sound of my own voice, so I'm going to make this really quick. To be honest, I really did struggle with this speech. My friends, I have to say, were all very quick to offer advice and help. I also got many requests for special mentions. You all know who you are. And to add to the pressure, I was told that the success of this speech would be judged on the amount of laughs I got, so please be kind. It feels like a lot of pressure to be judged on being funny and on saying something intelligent. So I thought about what to say. Should I deliver some blistering remarks on the state of international politics? I'm sure I don't have to tell you that it's been a bit of a roller coaster 12 months in our field. I could have spent 10 minutes easily discussing what's happening around us today. But at the crux of it, I felt that for us, today should be less about what happened outside our little eBay bubble and more about the people who helped us cope with it, each other. Together, over the last year, we've tried to make sense of the new reality we're facing as the future leaders, diplomats, academics, and experts that we are. We are all from different backgrounds and have different viewpoints, but we were able to come together in a way that enabled us to learn from each other and broaden our horizons just a little bit. But more than what we studied, what came to matter to us is the friendships that we made. In each other, we found understanding, the same frustration, laughs when we needed it, and alcohol when all else failed. We were pushed together by horrific group essays and a shared hatred for presenting in front of the class, united by the constant love of a good party that somehow always seemed to get that little bit out of hand. And in that mysterious way, just as we were hoping for time to slow down so we could savor it, just as we were all starting to feel a little bit less like Giris, it sped up, and here we are, 8 short months after we came together, going our separate ways. It might be a cliche to say this, but I know tonight won't be the last time that I see a lot of these people. I speak for myself now when I say that amongst this group of people, I have found friends for life, but I'm sure that every one of my classmates will tell you the same. So I would like to say a sincere thank you to all of my classmates for all the support, love, and friendship you have shown me. Thank you to all the professors who have helped us make sense of it along the way. Thank you to our families and friends, those who are here to support us today and those who couldn't be. I'm sure I speak for all of us when I say that it's occasions like this when we can celebrate with you that makes everything we achieve that much sweeter. A los españoles y los catalanes, un especial mensaje. A vosotros os quiero dar las gracias en nombre de todos los extranjeros. Esta ciudad nos ha tratado muy bien y estaremos agradecidos para siempre. Deberíais estar orgullosos en vuestra ciudad, de vuestro país y de vuestra gente. Mil gracias por todo el cariño que nos habéis demostrado. Mis compañeros y yo llevaremos nuestros recuerdos y las bonitas historias de este país a todos los lugares del mundo. Para mí, este año ha sido un sueño. Hace 7 años que vi Fernando Torres en la tele, sin camiseta, obviamente, y empecé un amorío con el fútbol, el Barça y España. Me ha pasado mucho tiempo soñando con vivir en Barcelona y que haya pasado por fin, no me lo puedo creer. Cada día aquí es un sueño hecho en realidad. Y yo sé que si al final me tengo que ir de aquí, volveré seguro en el futuro. Barcelona es la ciudad de mi vida y yo sé que es la realidad para muchos de mis compañeros también. Y con esto termino con español. Por favor, perdóname por matar vuestro idioma. On that note, I'll wrap up. Thank you for listening to me waffle on for the last few minutes. I'm so happy to have been here today celebrating this milestone with you all. And if anybody knows anyone hiring, please do pass out your business cards at the reception. We're all getting a bit desperate. Muchas gracias y Visca Barça.